How to fix Valorant Vanguard problem. It's easy. All you need to do first, just right click on Valorant here and go to compatibility, and then once you're here, click change settings for all users. You will find it like that. All you need to do, just click run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, and then enable those two options, apply and OK. And after that, type here services, and now once you're here, scroll down until you find VGC, and then right click on it and click restart. Now after that, type here update. Now all you need to do, don't forget to update, to install all the updates that you can find here. All the updates, just click check for updates and then install all the updates that you can find and restart your PC, and that's it. Your problem must be fixed, and see you in the next video.